I studied 2 courses so far. I've done the birdwatching diploma. I think I did the art acrylic run, and I'm starting out on the physics diploma. Last year I had a TIA, and when I came home I needed to occupy my mind with something else. I did a little bit of research online like you do, and that's how I came across you guys. I really enjoy doing the courses. It's like bite-sized chunks. You can get as much detail about that information, and it's free to do within your own time. It's not like being in a classroom where you've got to prove yourself to fellow students. I prefer learning on my own because you're not pressured by others. It helped me reclaim the confidence to know that I was okay, and it gave me a little bit of interest, and it gave me a new focus. Don't overthink about it, just do it. You'll always find a couple of minutes each day, and just do it and have fun. Is my advice.